Bruxism is the clenching or grinding of the teeth, which often occurs while a person is sleeping. When you brux, the force of your teeth is many times greater than during normal chewing. These forces can cause flattened or worn down teeth, teeth chipped at the gum line, fractured teeth, loose teeth, and damage to the jawbone or jaw joints. You may also notice some of the symptoms of bruxism, such as a sore, tired jaw, difficulty in opening and closing, sensitive teeth, earaches, headaches, or pain in your jaw joints. Or you may notice no symptoms at all. It's important to treat it early on to prevent damage and restore harmony to your mouth.